Good morning! Today is the day of my operation. Yes, we're going to the hospital. Need to be there for 7 o'clock. So, going up. There now. We'll find out.
Ayan, all my bags are packed. I'm ready to go. O, diba? May baon ako. Peanut.
Yeah, it's 6:35. So, we're ready to go. Kailangan lang ng kotse because it's frozen. Cash. Yes, today is March 15. I'm hoping na hindi maka-cancel ang aking case today and we'll go through the operation. So, I'll update you when I'm in the hospital. I'll see you there. We are here. Park. So, we're just
Getting a parking ticket.
there's the hospital. Yan. Ready. Ay, naku, ang dami kong naputol na hair. So, syempre, nag-straight ang lola nyo kasi magmumukhang bruha pagka lumabas ng theater nang hindi naka-straight ang buhok. We're walking towards the hospital now. Yan. Pasok tayo. Cannock Chase. Oh, diba? So, ang kulit. Yes. Mangyayari na po talaga ang aking operation. So, hopefully, all goes well. And I'll see you later again. So, on here, and that's gonna be the knee. Yeah, that's my keloid from my surgery. So good luck to the keloid, my goodness. Anesthesia said that I'll be awake. Wow. It scared me more. It's gonna be a spinal anesthesia, so yeah, half I'm gonna change now into my fancy gown. So all set, I'm ready. Wow! Oh, diba? So just waiting. First case ako. So any moment now, they're gonna call me. They're gonna be setting up the theater, and then the next thing after this will be after my surgery. So I'll update you. Groggy pa siguro ako nun, but I will update you with after the surgery. Okay, bye. I'll see you soon. Be there.
Yes, hello, I'm back. All done. Spinal anesthesia. So, awake ako habang ginagawa siya. Habang nilalagay, chinichisel, kinikiskit. Nararamdaman ko, hindi masakit kasi ramdam lang yung pressure. Pero, yun. Kaya, ang lola mo, hindi mo kambangan. Di ba mukhang fresh na fresh? Ako lang yan. Feeling ko lang yan, fresh na fresh ako. May hilo pa rin ako. Tapos, I'll show you my surgery. Wala pa rin siyang pakiramdam. And, ayan. I'm still shaking. Shaking pa yung kamay ko. Siguro sa anesthesia. So, I'll have my painkiller and then I'll sleep a little bit. Kasi, syempre, kagabi hindi ako masyadong nakatulog kasi stress, kunyari. Yun. Pero, tapos na lahat. Everything went well. My result okay naman daw. Yun lang nga talagang pangit na yung itsura ng patela ko. Sobrang na arthritis siya. So, yun. So, I'll see you there in a bit. And, sorry, uuwi daw ako ngayon. Day case lang daw. So, we'll see. I was changing to a bed rather than the therapy because it'll be more comfortable for me, they said. So, they have to transfer me. Before them transferring me, because I still have no feeling on my legs. It was earlier after my medicine, and I had to sleep. And then I took some bloods. They said I'm still gonna have some bloods. They said I'm still gonna have X-ray today, so I don't know how, but we'll see. How can I go down to X-ray with my legs still got no feeling? I can feel the pain on my knee, on the side of the knee. I can't still feel the legs right now. But the other one I can feel a bit more.